What is going on with the market? Stocks are down, crypto is down, the US economy facing an upcoming recession. Almost looks like kind of everything's down right now. Depending on where you live, even real estate is down. Here in Austria, where I'm from, real estate is still up though. So what's going on? And have we seen the bottom already? Hello and welcome. On this channel, I would like to talk about stocks, crypto, real estate, money, all the things that make us financially free step by step. Do we want to live paycheck to paycheck? No, of course not. We want to be able to cover our running costs passively from the wealth that we built up over the years. So, Bitcoin is at 16,000 euros right now. Is Bitcoin dead at 16,000? Of course not. I understand that you may interpret the current situation negatively if you invested in the highs in 2020 or 2021. But maybe we can get a different perspective if we look back to the previous bull run in 2017. Back then, when Bitcoin reached around about 17,000, near the last all-time high, this was considered very, very high. Everybody was so sure that it will crash big time and never go so high again. So isn't it funny that just 5 years ago 17,000 was considered very high, and now the same amount means that Bitcoin is dead or Bitcoin is not good already? Bitcoin actually stayed the same. One Bitcoin is still one Bitcoin. We just interpret the whole situation differently. And now let's talk about stocks. Stocks are also down, especially tech stocks. What's going on there? Well, generally spoken, the market changed the way it looks at things. Before 2022, money was cheap. So as long as the company grew, as long as revenue grew, everything was fine. Now, it's exactly the opposite the case. Stocks, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all are cheap. The problem now is money. Nobody has money. Money is no longer cheap. So if you see it like this, that before the crash, everything was fine, and now the situation is bad and it's risky to invest now, maybe I can shift this perspective a little bit. Yes, there is some risk now, the risk that the market will go down more, even though it went down already quite a lot. But before 2022, it was also risky. The risk was that because of the very, very high valuations, the market will correct. The difference is it looked good because you couldn't see the difference directly in the chart. It looked good, but actually you had to buy expensive and didn't know what will happen next. So I just want to point out the situation now and the situation before the crash 2022 both had its risks. Now we no longer have the risk of high valuation. Now the problem is that you need to have money to invest and you don't know if the market will correct even stronger. And maybe we can see the beauty of it. As private investors, if we have money right now and we have a long enough time horizon, we're quite lucky. We can invest now consistently. The chances are very good that in 5 years, the market is all up again. They say time in the market beats timing the market. And one more thing, do you guys invest in value stocks right now? Like everybody on YouTube, all the influencers, everybody's looking at secure value stocks now. In my opinion, not that value stocks are bad per se, they are great. But one thing is, just investing in value stocks now, that's following the behavior of the masses. Before 2022, everybody loved tech. So what I'm doing is I'm not forgetting to also invest in those fallen tech companies that everybody loved just 1 year ago. For me, actually, from the beginning on, I invested in both growth and value, maybe around 50-50. So, thank you for watching this video. If you saw the whole video on this very new YouTube channel, you are a true hero for me. So if you have any topics that I should make a video of, please write it in the comments. Since this is a brand new channel, chances are very high that I'll pick up that question. See you next time. Bye bye.